Have you ever thought about incorporating aromatherapy plants into your garden? If not, it's time you should. These plants offer a sensory delight and therapeutic benefits that can transform your garden into a haven of scent and serenity. Intrigued? Stick around as we guide you through the process of incorporating these wonderful plants into your garden. Before you start planting, it's crucial to choose the right aromatherapy plants for your garden. Some popular choices include lavender, known for its calming properties, rosemary, which boosts memory and concentration, and mint, a refreshing aroma that's perfect for summer days. Remember, the right plant for you might depend on your local climate and soil type, but ultimately, it's your personal preference that matters most. Once you've selected the perfect aromatherapy plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Now, let's dive into the process of planting these aromatic gems. Start by preparing the soil, ensuring it's loose and rich in organic matter. Proceed to dig a hole deep enough for your plant's roots to comfortably spread. Gently place the plant, cover the roots with soil, and lightly press around the base. Finish off by giving it a good drink of water. The correct planting technique is key to healthy growth. With these steps, you're well on your way to having a fragrant garden. But remember, aftercare is just as important. Caring for your aromatherapy plants is essential to keep them healthy and fragrant. Regular watering keeps your plants hydrated, while pruning helps maintain their shape and health. Be vigilant about pest control, as pests can harm the plants and reduce their fragrance. To sustain the aroma, consider adding organic compost or mulch to the soil. This not only feeds your plants but also retains moisture. With proper care and maintenance, your garden will be a haven of serenity and scent. Incorporating aromatherapy plants into your garden is indeed a rewarding experience. Just imagine the ambiance, the delightful scents wafting through the air, all thanks to your careful selection, planting, and maintenance. We hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!